Hey, what's up, XRP holder? I have going, my friends, to buy more XRP. You know why? What's the reason to I am going to invest more in XRP? I will tell you. I will answering you the all question, my brother. But kindly, before I get started this brand video, please subscribe this channel. If you are new my channel, 10,000 people trust on ABSD channel. It's mean to my friend. They are all like our videos, our prediction. So kindly, if you are also new in crypto market, especially, then subscribe this channel. I hope you never lost, my brother. So why I am going to invest in XRP, especially in those years? This is one big reason, my friend. You know what's one big reason? And the reason is that, my brothers, you know, XRP, one of the stable coin, if they fails down, remember, my brothers, they cannot fails down very fastly. But just suggest, my brother, if they fails down, absolutely, my friends, they cannot fails down very fastly. So therefore, if they fails down, they fails down for a little time, and they cannot very badly fails down. So therefore, I like this coin, and absolutely they cannot give me a very bad profit now, a bad loss now. So therefore, I like, and absolutely when they're starting moving upward, oh my goodness, this is absolutely one of the fastest coin in the crypto market. So therefore, I like it. I like the speed. They will move like a rocket. So therefore, I am so happy, I'm so excited to invest, my friend, in XRP. So I will suggest, my friend, all of you, if you have also any plan, my brothers, to invest in XRP, then I think, my friend, XRP is one of the good coin, my friend, for you, for short term investor. And remember, my brothers, to if you invest for a long time, so I think this is very good option, my friend, with you to invest now for a long-term investor. So if you have any plan to invest for a long time, then I think XRP is one of the good option. And if you have any plan to invest for a short time, then I think also very good, my friend, XRP for a short time. But I will, my friends, suggest you to Dogecoin, especially in the crypto market, Shiba Inu, and absolutely, my friend, if you want to invest in a stable coin, so I think Cardano is also one of the good now. But XRP is not good for a short-term investor. You know why I tell you this? Because, my brother, if you can see from this time the live chart, so this is last 3 months chart, and absolutely if you invest for a short term, so they cannot give you a profit, because last 3 months this coin is completely fails down. So therefore, this is very good, my friend, for long term investor, not for a short term investor. So hope you please, my friend, enjoy this video. Please, I hope if you like this video, then subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type informative videos. I hope you like this video, and I hope you subscribe our YouTube channel.